Number 4, Lot F118.1 is a 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck with a 355 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. And it sold for $50,600 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 4,569 miles. And the highlights: 355 cubic inch Summit Racing Blueprint V8 engine, recently rebuilt 700R4 transmission with overdrive, burgundy exterior, gray interior, tilt steering column, TMI seats, Dakota digital dash, new wood in bed, front disc brakes, and 20-inch Riddler wheels. And it looks like the previous owner customized it in and out. Looks like it's either a dark gray or black roof and a dark gray or black dashboard and interior, with the seats also being dark gray. But it looks good. It's a nice two-tone combo. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.